We are now at day 4 of the National Constituent Assembly proceedings, and everything is going as planned. On July 25 was the first day that the NCA opened. It was attended by all 825 delegates, as well as the members of the international community, including the UN, IGAD, African Union. And the meeting was officiated by the leaders of the government, the President, Prime Minister, the Speaker, and everything went very well. On the second day, which was the 26th, the delegates started deliberating and discussing the rules of procedure governing the National Constituent Assembly and the protocols that will guide us between now until the adoption of the process of the Constitution. Today we had a recitation by Somali scholars of the actual draft Constitution, article by article, so that the delegates can understand the contents of the Constitution. And tomorrow we will have breakout sessions into 10 thematic groups of different themes of the Constitution, each theme composed of 80 members, and hopefully those are the actual delegates. That's exactly where the delegates will start discussing and deliberating on the contentious issues in the Constitution, and hopefully we will adopt it provisionally and also give direction to the next Parliament as to how to improve it.